Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. One of the silver linings of COVID and lockdown was that my street got its own WhatsApp group. Initially, this was a way for us to make sure everyone in the street was okay, to keep an eye on vulnerable people, to see if people needed any shopping or any help. And since lockdown was lifted, it's become an invaluable resource for everyone in the street. People give things away and let their neighbours know that there's stuff going. People ask for tips or recommendations. People give advice or sometimes just share thoughts and opinions on things happening in the neighbourhood. Today I checked the WhatsApp street group and I saw that one of my neighbours had posted asking if anybody knew a good boiler repair person because their boiler was on the blink. If you say a machine is on the blink, you mean it's not working properly. You probably know that when you blink, you close your eyes quickly like this. Okay, so I guess the idea is it's working, it's not working, it's working, it's not working. It's on the blink. So maybe, for example, after years of loyal service, your TV is finally on the blink. Or maybe your oven goes on the blink and suddenly starts beeping even when it's not actually on. Sometimes when there's been a bank robbery, they often mysteriously find afterwards that the security cameras inside the bank went on the blink during the actual robbery. Maybe because they had someone on the inside who helped them out. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use on the blink.